Hello guys, and welcome to our next part of the tutorial, and today we will learn a bit more about C++ and we will make a simple calculator today. In the previous one I'll talk to you about different data types and how you can enter your own data into the data variable and how you can display it on the console. And today we will make a simple code, a simple calculator that would do addition of two numbers. It will take two numbers from the user and then it will display that the addition of those two numbers. You can do anything, like you can do addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, anything you want, or you can even present the remainder of division of two numbers. It's up to you. The choice is yours to make what you want to do with how you want to make the calculator. So right now I made a simple program where we have two integers, int a, int b. We have displayed a message, enter the two numbers. First the user will enter a, then it will enter b. Then we have made an integer that would be equal to the addition of these two numbers, and then we just simply display out on the console. So let's run this code. Let me bring it down slowly, and there. So it says enter two numbers. Let me enter 99 plus 100, and the addition of these two numbers is 199. So it shows onto the thing. Or you could also do, if you don't wanna like make a new variable just for addition, you could do is a plus b, and then we would get the same result as we got before. Let me show you. 199, as you can see, so we got 199. So this is how you can make a simple calculator using this. You can even go ahead and do double if you want to make like a calculator that takes longer digits, longer integers. So let's add 190 like this, and there we got the addition of these two numbers. If we had like we talked in the before, if we had used integer, then we would have gotten in the form of power of e, like scientific notation. So let's now make a multiplication by just changing the sign. Before I go on, let me tell you a bit more about things. For division we use this sign. For multiplication we use the asterisk. For addition we use the plus sign, which is like used everywhere. Subtraction is the same as here, there. And if we want to put out the remainder of the addition of two variables, we use modulus operator, which is this, the percentage sign. Let me show you like this now. Division is like slash, and then asterisk, addition for plus, subtraction minus, and modulus is this percentage. So basically it's all like this. You can make your own calculators like this, do anything. Let's add a bit more onto it, like it will show subtraction of the two numbers is, and then we go subtraction a minus b and l, like this. so it doesn't, I'm putting handle so it doesn't become like in just one line, it will all become cluttered, and which is usually not not good for a software design. You want to make your software look a bit, always look presentable and beautiful. It always gives a beautiful output rather than the what you call it, cluttered. Yes, cluttered output. It should just straight up give you the answer instead of just confusing the end user. So product of two numbers, division of two numbers, remainder of division of the two numbers. Okay, so let me change the signs there, division and there. Okay. Let me change it up. Hold on. The thing about modulus is it doesn't take double as an arguments. It only takes int because it doesn't really like that much. Okay, so we will, let me bring it down, enter the two numbers. Let me enter 22 and 3. Addition of this is 25, subtraction is 19, product is 66, division is 7. It's 7 because it rounded up to the 7. It didn't want it to go on like 0.111 like the all that stuff. It only gives a whole number, not a decimal number. If you want a decimal number, you can just make another variable, float division, and then make it equal to a divided by b, and then just put it in here, and then that would sort out your problem. And then we have the remainder of the division is 1, because like 3 divided by 22 is 7, and then 1 is a remainder there. So let me show this thing. Okay, I'll use the same, we make a float division, and then we use the same variable there, and then we just go like that. So let me use the same 22 and 3. These values, there is a thing that here's a thing I should tell you about as well. So as you saw in down there, it was showed as 0. You may ask why it showed as 0, because as you can see they weren't initialized, they were just 0, both were 0. This was initialized as 0, this was initialized as 0 as by the code. So it wasn't really initialized, so we got the division about as 0. If we put it, let me cut it, and if we put it under this, watch what happens. Let me use the same. As you can see, we got the division is 7. I'm not sure why it didn't show all the decimal part, but it now shows that division is 7 as 7. So like if you see, if the thing is not initialized, it will give us as 0, but now after initialization we put it as here, a float division is equal to a divided by b, and then we used it in the cout statement. So this is how you can make your own simple calculator and have fun with it by programming all that. It's always just fun thing to program and try new things, so you should try making one yourself, like just like this, or you can make your own design. It's up to you. Your only thing stopping you is your imagination. So this is it for today. I hope you have an amazing day.